All right, so we've got a little bit of an update here for the Bambu. Altogether, tomorrow we will be getting a Bambu Studio update. Everybody's going to need to update, if they're not already up to the current date, of their Bambu Handy apps on their phones. Added manual extrusion compensation calibration. Dope. Added access code display for wireless LAN supporting manual connection to live view. That should be awesome. Improvements, optimized thermal runaway protection for the hot end. Yay! 3 minutes is was not good. Thank you, Bambu. Optimized printer performance and improved long-term print stability. Not sure what they mean by that. Optimized fan speed feedback. Now the fan speed display is closer to the actual speed. Bug fixed. Fixed the problem where free in the user name will cause automatic logout when booting. Okay, I didn't know that was an issue, but hey, glad they fixed it. Fixed the network disconnection problem. Oh my gosh, thank you. Fix the problem that the SD card is disconnected or pulled out during the printing process, which causes printing to stop and cannot be recovered. This is a problem I wasn't aware of, as in I wouldn't think people were trying to remove their SD cards during a print. Maybe I'm misunderstanding that. You guys let me know. Remaining issues. When using an AMS, printing a 3MF file via SD card may fail because the AMS slots cannot be selected. Non-HMS error codes are not displayed on the screen. Steps of the calibration process are not seen by Bambu Studio. Well, hey, some good updates here today. Thanks, Bambu. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.